when you have this much Hot Wheels that my Grampy has in his Hot Wheel room, in his office, and then he has this much Hot Wheels. A lot more Hot Wheels. Like, I love Hot Wheels, and Grampy loves Hot Wheels too. And when you have a Grampy like playing with Hot Wheels all day, Grampy's talk and talk when you're in the middle of the video because they talk and talk whenever they do it.
Are you taking everything off of it?
Dad, we're missing Paisley TV and we're supposed to be watching TV.
Oh, I'm very sorry.
It's going to be on the whole day.
Is it?
And tomorrow it's not on. Okay? Because I have to finish video like tomorrow. Okay?
Crap.
I have a new video going up on my page on Paisley TV. Okay? A new video. Okay? Let me do my video. And make sure it's warm and snuggly while it's there and there and there. That it can do it when it's there.